has given us a topic to discuss about, that is the Constitution of India. Well, firstly, what is the Constitution of India? The Indian Constitution is the supreme legal document of India by which people are governed. Basically, it provides some rules and regulations according to which a democratic country like India is governed or run. And as far as I know, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution, and its draft was completed on 26th November 1949, and the Indian Constitution was enforced or implemented on 26th January 1950. Now I am giving this mic to Asmit Bhaiya.
Okay. As Sarad mentioned, what is constitution? I want to say that how constitution was made. Earlier, before independence, there was no constitution. The India was run by British rule. But as soon as the India got independence, then a constitutional assembly was made, which had 395 members, which is further reduced to 299 members, and now it was going on like a kingdom rule or anything else. Now I am going to give this mic to Ankita Di.
As they mention about Indian Constitution, so I'm going to tell about how many days and how Indian Constitution have been made so far. Had been made so far. As there were so many meetings held to make made Indian Constitution. As first Constitution was held on 9 December 1946, and it completed on 26 November 1949, and it to made our constitution it takes 2 years 11 months and 18 days. It took 2 years 11 months and 18 days, and India has the lengthiest constitution all over the world.
So as Ankita Didi mentioned about that how Indian Constitution is the lengthiest, now I want to describe you about that how the Indian Constitution is the lengthiest constitution in the world, because in the making of Indian Constitution different countries are involved. Certain things are taken from, or certain things are being taken from different countries, like not like America, Soviet Union, South Africa, Ireland and Australia, Britain. These all made up the things which gives us the power of certain things like fundamental rights, fundamental duties, and certain emergency provisions, etc. Giving mic to Bhaiya.
As brothers and sisters mentioned that about Indian Constitution, as you know that before getting freedom means we are under the British rules, and on that time British rules and regulation was very difficult. Was ready, sir? It was very difficult to accept Indian citizen, but after getting freedom means with lot of efforts, with lot of struggle, we got freedom. Then after that we made our own constitution. Because of our constitution, we are having authorities and rights to raise our voice against our government. If our prime minister is not working his work in proper manner, that we can raise our voice, we can raise our finger against him, and we can take decision. And because of our constitution, we can protest easily.
Opinion, the constitution plays an important role in our life. It also gives the equality among all the religions, caste, and it's also gives the secularism, equality among all the peoples, all the caste systems, on any say in practices like sati pratha and in untouchability. It also gives us the right to vote, or for the people, by the people, or of the people. This is the main book for the Indian Constitution.
If we talk about the importance of constitution, so our constitution contains valuable information regarding the structure of human and duties of human and responsibility as well to the government. It also important to protect our government, means protect from the government to if anything happen from the government. If means our constitution is also contains valuable rights, and it from means if we talk about the if you talk about the injustice happen from the government, then the people have the rights to change the government. It comes in the constitution.
In my point of view, it talks about good things like our rights, which are like power for us. It also makes sure that the government treat one. It also says that we should work together to make our country better. Our constitution has a huge list of do's and don'ts goes for the government. This is make sure that the government does everything in a fair way.
According to me, the constitution has a big role in our life. It gives us a power to do right with rights and wrong with wrong, and it gives us equal status and opportunity without any discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, language, or color. And it is the basis of it is a basis of political, social, and economic life of India. It provides lots of rights, and it protects the right of citizens, and it gives a guiding principle for the development of the country. The constitution is not only a document but also a way of life.
So everyone has discussed about the importance of constitution. Now I want to discuss about the main composition of the Indian constitution, that is the preamble. What do you mean by preamble? The preamble states that the Indian constitution is for the people, by the people, and of the people. Then the question arises, what is the emphasis in this statement? The emphasis is in the people. It says that people are the supreme in the democratic system. If people want change, they can raise voice, they can change the system through the rights provided by the Indian constitution.
Okay, as all mentioned that what is constitution and how constitution was made and what is the key points of this constitution, I want to conclude this constitution by saying that constitution has the major key points is like justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity, which judge the constitution by their all means and by the people demands and their needs. That's it.